So let's look at the sine graph. I can use the sine graph to remember these things without stressing myself too much. All I have to do is know that a sine graph is a graph of this nature. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So the y-axis has just positive 1, 0, and minus 1. It's as simple as that. So what do? You draw the graph. So the one thing you need to know about the sine graph is that the sine graph begins from the origin, 0. So it goes like this, and so on. Now, this is a circle. If I divide a circle into 2 equal parts, this is a semicircle, this is a semicircle. A full circle is 360 degrees. So half of a circle is 180. Which means that from here to here is half of a circle, which means that this is 180. From here to here, half of a circle, which is 180. So if from here to here is 180, then half of it, 180, will be 90 degrees. So you can see this is 0, 90, that's 0. 0 plus 90, 90. 90 plus 90, 180. If you add 90 to 180, you get this point now is 270. Then if you add 90 to 270, you get 360. So this point is 360 degrees. So everything here is here. We have 0, 90, 180, 270, and 360. So if I'm looking for sine 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, this is just all I need. So I can now find sine 0 degrees, sine 90 degrees, sine 180 degrees, sine 270 degrees, and sine 360 degrees. Very, very easy. Very easy. Note that the sine graph, like I said earlier, begins from the origin, 0. So automatically sine 0 is 0. It starts from the origin. So sine 0 is 0. Even if you punch your calculator, sine 0 will always give you 0. But sine 90, where is 90? Look at 90 here. You will take it up and then take it to the y-axis. It gives you 1. So that means sine 90 is 1. So you can see that sine 90 is 1. Then sine 180, don't forget that this one is obvious. It goes up here, it can come down. But at this point, it neither goes up nor comes down like a curve. So since it is here like this, it bounces back to 0. Meaning that sine 180 is 0. So you put 0. Sine 270, you take it to the y from here, and then it will come to the y-axis. It's minus 1. We have minus 1. And then sine 360, of course you can see it will go straight to 0. It is 0. So sine 90, sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1, sine 180 is 0, sine 270 is minus 1, and sine 360 is 0. If you can't cram this or remember this, just sketch this diagram. It will help you to get you.